What's up guys, Tim Fulton with John Sinclair Nissan. In this video I'm going to show you the cheapest car you can buy in America. This is a 2024 Nissan Versa. Let's go over some of the equipment. So this is a brand new car that you can buy for under $18,000. It's a 2024 Nissan Versa. Lots of standard equipment like forward automatic braking, rear automatic braking, rear sensors, rear camera. Plenty of room for your rear passengers. 5-star overall crash rating. It's even got power windows. It's got lane keep assist, automatic high beams, automatic headlights. You have all your audio controls right here on the steering wheel. Cruise control, tilt telescopic steering wheel. You got USB charging for your rear passengers. It's got air conditioning, heat. All the stuff that used to not be standard on vehicles, but this one is the cheapest vehicle you can buy that is brand new. Also, our vehicles all come with our no-charge lifetime powertrain warranty. So for the full life that you own the vehicle's powertrain, the hardest working parts of your vehicle are going to be covered. Camera comes on when you put it in reverse.